Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a copper T. It's important to understand that a trained healthcare professional must perform this procedure. Attempting to remove it yourself can be dangerous and lead to complications. Your doctor will ensure a safe and comfortable experience, typically in just a few minutes. Always consult with your healthcare provider to discuss your options and schedule the removal. During the removal, your doctor will have you lie on an examination table, similar to a routine checkup. They will insert a speculum to gently open the vaginal walls, allowing clear visibility of your cervix. The copper T has small strings that extend into the vagina. Your doctor will locate these strings and use a specialized instrument like forceps to gently pull them, guiding the device out. Many people describe the removal as feeling like a brief pinch or a mild menstrual cramp. This sensation is usually very short-lived, often lasting only a few seconds as the device exits. The entire process is typically completed in under 5 minutes. Afterward, it's normal to experience some light spotting or mild discomfort for a day or two, which usually resolves quickly. After your copper T is removed, your doctor will discuss your future contraceptive needs or family planning goals. It's important to monitor for any unusual symptoms, such as severe pain, heavy bleeding, or signs of infection, and contact your doctor if they occur. Remember, your fertility can return almost immediately after removal, so plan accordingly if you wish to avoid pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.